Welcome to our show. I'm Shiv Lokendra. Today I will show you how to make dim sum at home with Szechuan sauce.
To make the dim sum dough or sheet, we need flour, refined flour or maida you can say, some warm water and salt. Approx, if you ask the measurements, 1 cup of flour and you need 100 ml of water and pinch of salt. That's it. Now we'll nicely roll the dough and make a circular shape. Now it depends on how big you want, but the thickness should be thin. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to cook during the steam process. Now we have made a mixture of chopped vegetables. You can take carrot, beans, cabbage, baby corn, some onion, some garlic, some chili, coriander. So it's all depends on you, like how you want it. If you want spicy, you can put more of chili. If you want more garlic, you put more garlic. And now you see, you have to give a nice fold, give a nice shape. It depends. The practice makes a man perfect. So that's what it says. So you keep practicing and you will do like this. So one more time, the chef is showing us slowly. Yes, nicely. Now the fold. Yes, slowly. So once again I'll say again, practice it and it will come nicely, as you can see. Very nicely. Now I'll put it for steaming. We'll use a steaming basket, or you can call a dumpling basket or momos basket. We'll put in the steamer. Now we'll take this basket and we'll put in a steamer, simply like this, and then we'll steam it. We'll steam the dumpling for almost 15 to 18 minutes and we'll check it. Alright, in the meantime we'll make our Szechuan sauce. Now we'll start making Szechuan sauce. We'll put some oil in a pan, then we'll put some onion, garlic, ginger, and then we'll cook it and we'll wait till it gets brown color. After it gets brown color, we'll put chili paste. Now you can boil the whole chili and you can make a paste of it, and then you can add to this mixture. Now since the mixture gets brown in color, we'll add the chili paste and we'll cook for 3 to 4 minutes. We'll add some more chili paste. Now Szechuan sauce is very spicy and the name came from the Sichuan province of China, and you can add, basically it's made of Sichuan pepper. So if you don't have Sichuan pepper, not an issue, don't worry. You can use only chili paste. You can use the whole chili, boil it, grind it and make a paste out of it. Now we'll add some water just to add some moisture. That's it, and we'll cook it for a while. Now for the seasoning, we can add some salt, pepper, and we can add some ketchup as well. So ketchup will balance the taste. So it depends. You can use only 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoon of ketchup and then just let it cook it. Okay, that's like. Now the sauce is ready. Now we'll serve in a sauce bowl. You can check it, how is it, and I hope nice color. You can see the quality of chili makes your sauce better and it makes you spicy, and finally quality is the thing. So if the chilies are better, the sauce will be better. That's all. Now we have some soya sauce as well, so we'll keep it here. Now I hope the dim sums are ready. Yes. So now we're gonna take it out. Alright. Oh, now it's beautiful. So here we go. Our dim sums are ready. Szechuan sauce is ready. Soya sauce as a must accompaniment of momos or dim sums. as always, Chinese food. So here you go. So that's all for today, and we'll see you again, everyone, in our next series, a series of Anybody Can Cook. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.